What is up people, this one Kamle, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today I'm going to go crazy, today I'm going to go wild, and we have a very wild unboxing today because this is a very fire pair, and yes, I have received this pair. I can't tell you guys into details, I can't get into the details, but yeah, just leave this aside. But yes, this is a fire unboxing video, fire review video. You guys, I believe, already know what this sneaker is from the title and the thumbnail, whatever this is. But yes, let's not waste your time. This comes in a very normal Nike box. I don't know why. Nike, please give this pair a good box because it deserves it. Like, I feel it deserves it, but yeah. I guess this got manifested to me because I was thinking about this silhouette from a long time, like from at least 8-9 months, and now I have it. So this is, I'll show you. This is Nike VEMERO 5 Supersonic. And yes, just have a look at this pair. This is a beauty and a beast from Nike. This is something very wild, very beautiful. This is that exact retro running. They have caught the exact retro running trend. 2023 was Nike VEMERO 5. From Nike, this was the best selling, I believe. Like, it had to be because this was all over the place. Don Becker did a collaboration with this, and we got a crazy Nike VEMERO 5s last year, and I believe even this year we'll get some good. We need some good collaborations on Nike VEMERO 5. I believe this sneaker got Nike into that lead, I'll say, with that running silhouette vibe, because New Balance was killing it with their retro running sneakers, and Nike came with this. And yes, they came really hard with this, and this is a very fire silhouette. I personally loved it, and it got manifested, and I have a pair right now, and that too a very special pair. Yes, this looks wild, this looks crazy, but the Nike VEMERO generally has some subtle colors like beige, silver, grey, white, black. All of that is available right now on veg, non-veg, super cakes, everywhere. But this one, I don't think so. You guys can buy it right now. If you guys can buy it from anywhere, I'll put the link in the description. You can go and check this pair out. Yes, I'm going to show a lot of different details of this pair. You guys can't see any of those details right now. But trust me, just wait for this video to end. You guys will fall in love with this pair because it is that crazy. Just a very quick review about what is going on this pair, some materials and all of that stuff. So yes, just look at this and you will see that big mesh upper on it. So we have that big mesh upper, we have that light beige suede on the eyelets, we have that black stripes all over the sneaker, we have that light grey nubuck on the toe guard, very squishy tongue with that satin silk kind of a material on it. It is very beautiful, and we also see that same exact material in black color in the sock liner. Then we have this translucent milky white colored rubber panels on the side panels of the sneaker. Just have a look. And then we have that white Nike swoosh in leather, and then coming to the heel portion of the sneaker, we get that cage kind of a material in that very interesting pattern, and that is rubber or fiber, some different kind of a material. I really don't know, and I just don't want to quote something else. But yes, that is a very interesting part about the sneaker. And yes, this is a very banger silhouette. This is a very banger colorway, specifically I believe a special edition sneaker as well. The materials on the sneaker is just crazy. There is nothing normal in the sneaker. Now this is the best part, coming to the details, because the sneaker is filled with it, and Ronit Kamble, the sneaker guy, obviously loves that. So let's start. So whatever black linings you see on the toe guard, on the back heel of the sneaker, that is black. But when you see that under flashlight, or you see that under a light or something like that, that will appear blue, and that looks super crazy. I'll show you guys the images, I'll show you guys the video of that. But yes, that looks crazy as, yes, you guys understand that. We are getting reflective panels all over it, and that is again a very interesting detail to me. I personally loved it. Now coming to the big gun, now coming to the main important point of the sneaker, the craziest part about this sneaker. So yes, you guys saw that it reflects blue color. This black part reflects blue color, but that is not the best part. The best part is this side panels glows in the dark, and that will glow in a blue color. Just look at this. This looks crazy. This looks amazing in my opinion. This is one of the craziest detailed pair I have ever owned, and I will ever have, I believe, because this kind of details make me go crazy, and that is what I love. You guys just saw how beautiful this looks, and I am a sucker for this kind of details. And now one more thing, even some parts on the outsole glows, and that looks crazy, as you guys know that. This is a super cool sneaker, and it exactly represents its name, Supersonic. But apart from this detailing on the sneaker, it also has some crazy detailed insole, and I just don't want to remove that insole. I'll show you guys the pictures of it. But yes, that insole looks crazy, and I personally love it. But this pair will cost you anywhere around 17,000 rupees, 16,995 rupees. That is an expensive price, but total worth of money, I feel. That is my point of view. Relax. If you don't want to buy, it's okay. And talking about the comfort on this, it is really comfortable. This pair has zoom technology in it, so that is the reason it is that comfortable. It really competes my New Balance 2002R. That is a very comfortable sneaker. This is a very good competitor to it. This is a very light pair, and it has some crazy details. I'm just not getting over the details of this pair, but yeah, you guys can see that. You guys can see my face. It is glowing like it does. And yes, if you want to see me unboxing and reviewing the New Balance 2002R, my protection pack, that is a fire crazy pair as well. If you want to see me unboxing that or reviewing that, watch this video here. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.